That's impressive. That's where he stopped the first time, and he's 15. Hey, you're doing good. Look, son, he's coming over.
Spider-Man.
Making you look bad. Whatever.
See, man, you use them limbs like a ladder.
That's the same guy that I was talking about. There's a snake.
Well,
Yeah, there was a snake.
Get the hell away from him.
Oh!
He's on a flip. That's terrifying, son.
Yeah!
All right, go over and jump to Daddy.
Somebody get silly, huh?
He did a backflip and then grabbed his knee like that.
Oh, I didn't see that. That's cool.
Not me. I looked at it.
He's like,
Yesterday, people were telling me to do a flip. I was like, no.
I could probably front flip it, but I might hit the bottom.
Joe, if you fall, all you're going to hit is water or your dad. So go ahead.
I try to arch my body and do like that. So when you go down the water, you scoop your feet up and you won't hit.
It's nerve-wracking. I didn't get hit in the head once this week.
Gavaroni.
oh, you about had it.
Yeah!
That was less trouble than you.
Woohoo!
Good job, yeah.